Once in a small village, there lived a young boy named Omar. He was known for his kindness and honesty. One day, Omar's father gave him some dates to sell in the market. "Be truthful in your dealings," his father advised. Omar arranged his dates neatly and began calling out to the customers. People admired his cheerful smile. A woman approached his stall. She picked a handful of dates and asked, "Are these dates fresh?" Omar looked closely at the dates. Some were fresh, but others had started to dry out. "They are good, but a few may not be fresh," Omar replied honestly. The woman smiled and said, "Thank you for your honesty. I will take some." Another merchant overheard Omar's words. "Why did you tell her about the dry dates? You could have sold them all," he said. Omar replied, "Allah loves those who are truthful. I cannot lie to earn money." Later that day, more customers came to Omar's stall, hearing about his honesty. He sold all his dates. When Omar returned home, his father smiled and said, "Honesty brings blessings, my son." Omar grew up to be a respected merchant, always remembered for his honesty and fairness. Message of the story: truthfulness and honesty, as taught in Islam, bring blessings and respect from Allah and people. Dear kids, this channel for educational purpose. If you enjoyed this and want to learn English and motivational stories, like and subscribe the channel.